In this video, I will show you how to generate a presentation from Google Sheets using Gamma AI. First, I'm starting on my Gamma dashboard, but I need to check my data source. I have my topics, key points, and supporting details neatly organized in this Google Sheet. Now, I'll go back to Gamma and click on Create New AI. Out of the different ways to get started, I'm going to choose Paste in Text. Once I paste the data into Gamma, I'll make sure the presentation option is selected so the AI knows how to format the content. If I want to take it a step further and embed the live spreadsheet into a slide for a more interactive look, I'll open a presentation I'm already working on. Back in the Google Sheet, I'll go to the File menu, select Share, and then click Publish to the web. I'll switch over to the Embed tab, hit the Publish button, and copy the code provided. Returning to my Gamma presentation, I'll add a new card and select the Webpage Embed tool from the menu on the right. I'll paste the code into the input box, and now the live spreadsheet is integrated right inside my presentation slide. I can adjust the title and settings, then close the panel to see the final result. And there you have it. That's the complete process of generating presentations from Google Sheets with Gamma AI.